Hello everyone, I am Kalyanam, proprietor of SRIDHANYA Smart Service. We are one of the cutting plotter dealer in India. So many cutting plotter we are selling. At the time, we are providing online education purpose for cutting plotter tutorials and the software and hardware details, maintenance, machine services, software, learning the software and learning the machine, how to operate the machine, how to operate the software and using the machine. So we are more videos uploading in weekly once or a weekly two or three number of videos we are regularly updating. Let's go the video. In this video, the purpose we are introducing the Skycut cutting plotter unboxing. So this video, the Skycut cutting plotter unboxing. So you see the cutting plotter. This is Skycut. The speciality of this machine, corner cutting, normal vinyl cutting plus corner cutting, and mobile skins cutting, and heat transfer sheet cutting. So off cutting, full cutting. They use this in this machine. So multi-purpose of machines. We are one of the dealer in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Annur. So in this machine, it has the touching display and quality touching display. And this is our accessories, the cutting plotter accessories, power cable, USB cable, power adapter, blade, pen holder, pen tool, and software, machine driver, and machine manual card, warranty card. So these are the Skycut cutting plotter packages. So many videos we are providing uploaded. So in this video, if you want to like this, please subscribe our channel. Comment. Thank you for giving good opportunities. Kalyanam.